already linked to another FACEIT account. Close quote. So FACEIT is blocking it because one Steam equals one FACEIT account. No duplicates allowed. Let's fix this step by step. Usually one of these. 1. You created an old FACEIT account and forgot about it. 2. Someone else linked your Steam, friend, cybercafe, shared PC. 3. You accidentally made a second FACEIT account. 4. Your Steam was previously connected and you're trying to reconnect it. Stash, what you should do. Check if you already have another FACEIT account. Go to FACEIT login and try. All your emails, forgot password option, log in via Steam. Sometimes you'll discover an old account you forgot existed. Try logging in with Steam directly. Instead of connecting Steam, click open quote, login with Steam. Close quote. If it logs you in, that's your original FACEIT account. If you can't access the old account, then you must contact FACEIT support. Go to support.faceit.com, submit a ticket. Tell them your Steam profile link that you can't access the FACEIT account linked to it. Ask them to unlink or recover it. Be honest. They take multi-accounting seriously. Important warning. Do not create another new FACEIT account, try to bypass it, use another Steam account to avoid the issue. FACEIT bans for multi-accounting, and their anti-cheat is strict. Quick question for you. Did you ever create a FACEIT account before this?